Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be reviewing the Zoe wallet from Louis Vuitton. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So this is the Zoe wallet in empreinte leather. This comes in different canvases and materials, but this is in the empreinte leather in the color noir. So a little bit about this wallet. So the dimensions are, it is about 4 inches across, 3 1/4 in height, and about 1/2 an inch in width. So in the front it has the envelope shape, and it has a little ribbit there, it says Louis Vuitton, and on the back it has one slip pocket. When you open it up, it has 2 card slots on each side, and then it has a zippered pocket in the front, and then a billfold compartment in the back. This one says made in France. What I like about this wallet is that it's very compact. It's basically the size of my palm. It's good for those that don't carry too many cards. What I love about this is the one slip pocket in the back. I primarily put my most used card in this slot so that I don't have to constantly close and open the whole wallet. So I've had this for over a year. This was actually my very first Louis Vuitton piece. At the time it was $5.85 and it currently retails for $6.95. So as far as the wear and tear, there aren't too many wear and tear except for the button here. There's several scratches on it, but there aren't too much wear. I think it still looks pretty brand new. I don't really like to overstuff the card slots, so I usually just put 1 or 2. 2 would be the max for each slot. And for this coin compartment, I don't usually carry coins, but you do have enough to put some change in there. Overall, this is a really great compact wallet. I think it's very practical for everyday use. It's not very thick, and it fits just like your everyday cards that you use on a daily. And I love this material. It's very durable. I don't see, there's no scratches or any wear on the leather itself. I haven't had any glazing issues on any part of the wallet. The empreinte or the imprint of the pattern is still pretty much there. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching my quick review of the Zoe wallet in empreinte leather. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel and feel free to like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.